Okay, class. Our next topic is acid rain. So, as we know that this whole environment thing is about that due to the it is because just because that increase in the burning of fossil fuels, our atmosphere is getting polluted, and how it is creating an acid rain. We have heard the term. We know what is rain, and we have heard it a lot of times. But what is acid rain and how it is formed? We will see. We'll see these things in this topic. Okay. So acid rain, as the word specify, a rain which contains acid in it. Okay, it is a rain which contains acid in it, so it is called acid rain. So, but how it is formed and why it is forming? So, to answer the first question, uh, why it is forming? It is forming because of excessive use of fossil fuels, which are being used by the human beings. These are emitting chemicals in the atmosphere, which are disturbing the natural balance of the chemicals present in the atmosphere, and so there are when we disturb the nature, it affects the humans badly. Wherever humans have tried to affect the play with the nature, it has struck us hard. So what happens is that there are some chemicals which are emitted when we burn the fossil fuels. They contain nitrogen, they contain carbon, and they also contain sulfur. So when we burn the fossil fuels in our cars, factories, vehicles, other vehicles, aeroplanes, all of these things contribute to these contaminants which go in the atmosphere. And they what happened in the atmosphere, what happened in the air. We know that air contains air. Sometimes air has humidity. So what happens? It humidity means it contains water. So these chemicals will combine. These elements will combine with the water, and what will water, that does not stay in the air for a long time. It has to come down to the earth in the form of clouds. Water formed clouds, and then they come down to earth in the form of rain. So when a cloud will contain these chemicals, and the chemicals are combined to form there, and they are forming the acid there. Mostly we know acids are all liquid, so they can easily combine with the water present in the air. So when the chemicals combine with the water, they form different type of chemical. For example, when nitrogen combine with the water, it forms HNO3 or HNO2. So but when the sulfur combines with the water, it forms H2SO4. And in the similar fashion, when the uh, carbon combines with the water, it can form carbonic acids. So what will happen now? We will see effects.